With the U.S. economy seemingly headed for recession in the near future, inflation a lingering pain in your bottom line, and war and civil unrest heating up across the globe, more and more Americans are taking steps to try to protect their wealth. But how are they doing this? Well, thousands are turning to gold. Not surprising, even billionaires are jumping onto the gold train, including Ray Dalio, John Paulson, Lord Jacob Rothschild, and others. Billionaire Ray Dalio, founder of the world's largest hedge fund, is one of gold's biggest advocates, underscoring the need for safer assets. So it's no wonder demand has skyrocketed in recent years. For people who are accustomed to owning stocks, bonds, and shares in funds in their 401k and IRA accounts, the idea of owning gold in an IRA may seem a little strange. But today, we're taking the strange completely out of the equation. We're giving you the ultimate beginner's guide to a gold IRA rollover. And if you watch it all the way until the end of this detailed guide to gold IRA rollovers, there's a special offer waiting for you. But no skipping forward, all right? Let's get started. So what is a gold IRA? To put it simply, it's an individual retirement account in physical gold coins or bars. While most IRA accounts own intangible financial assets like stocks, bonds, or shares in funds, a gold IRA actually owns physical gold. But it works similar to any other IRA. You fund it, and you use your funds to buy physical gold coins or bars. You're not buying shares of a gold exchange traded fund like you would in an ordinary IRA. You're buying actual physical gold, the real thing. That gold is managed by an IRA custodian and stored in a bullion depository. Relatively few IRA custodians offer gold as an option, which is why you'll need to find an IRA custodian that specializes in or offers gold as an option. Goldco works with established gold IRA custodians to provide our customers with options for custodial services for their gold IRA assets. Keep watching and you'll learn exactly how to get started, and there's a special offer to help you learn everything you need about protecting your wealth with gold and other precious metals. Now you may be asking yourself, why should I start a gold IRA? Can't I just buy gold and store it wherever I want? Many of our customers do, but you cannot buy that gold with funds that you have in a 401k or similar tax-advantaged accounts. If you want to use those funds to buy gold directly, you'd have to take a distribution from your 401k plan, if it's allowed, then pay any applicable taxes and penalties, and then buy the gold. You'll basically get raked over the coals and added cost. With a gold IRA rollover, you can move those funds from a 401k into a gold IRA tax-free and use those funds from within your gold IRA to buy gold coins or bars. That's the beauty of it. So how do rollovers and transfers work? Rollovers and transfers can sometimes be referred to with various terms. Very often, funds being moved from a 401k or similar employer-sponsored plan to an IRA are referred to as rollovers. Funds being moved from one IRA to another IRA are often referred to as transfers. Whether called a rollover or a transfer, these movements of funds are subject to rules and regulations set by your good friends at the IRS. But in general, as long as these funds are being moved directly from one custodian to another, these rollovers and transfers can be made tax-free. I can't stress how important the tax benefits are when it comes to a gold IRA. IRA rollovers are subject to specific rules administered by the IRS. If you're not familiar with them already, don't worry, because most people aren't. IRA, 401k, and other tax-advantaged retirement accounts are intended for long-term retirement savings like value stocks or gold, not assets held in the short term. That's why the number of rollovers you can do is strictly limited. The IRS has a handy chart and a detailed list of the rules and regulations at their website, irs.gov. So you can visit them there if you're looking for a detailed list. because this video is about rollovers and there are 81 different possible rollover combinations. We'll stick to the most popular ones so you don't get overwhelmed. Now, one of the most common rollovers is from a 401k to a traditional IRA. This means shifting money from one pre-tax account to another. There are no taxes to be paid as the money moves directly from your 401k plan to your IRA account. And because both accounts are pre-tax, there are no distribution taxes or penalties to be paid. Another option is to roll over funds from a 401k to a Roth IRA. A Roth IRA uses post-tax dollars, gains accrue tax-free, and no taxes are paid at distribution. Since money moved from a 401k to a Roth IRA entails moving money from a pre-tax account to a post-tax account, you will owe income taxes on the amount moved into your Roth IRA account. Paying that stiff tax bill may not be ideal, so make sure you speak with your tax advisor. Rules for rollovers from one IRA to another can vary depending on what types of IRA you're rolling over from and what type of IRA you're rolling over to. The most common types of IRA to IRA rollovers are going to be rollovers from one traditional IRA into another traditional IRA, or rollovers from a traditional IRA into a Roth IRA. Note that money in a Roth IRA cannot be rolled over into a traditional IRA. Rollovers from one traditional IRA into another traditional IRA, in which funds are sent directly from one custodian to another, will occur tax-free. However, you have to remember the once per year rollover rule. Rollovers from a traditional IRA to a Roth IRA are Roth conversions and will trigger income taxes on the amount rolled over. Once again, however, if this Roth conversion occurs before age 59 and a half, you will not have to pay the 10% penalty that normally applies to early distributions from an IRA account. Now that we've got that out of the way, it's time for the good stuff. Ready to protect your wealth? Since most of you will have a 401k from work, we're going to focus on a rollover from a 401k to an IRA. This can be done in just 3 easy steps. The first step is to open a Gold IRA. When you start the rollover process, you'll need to inform your 401k plan where to send the funds to. In other words, you'll need to know your Gold IRA custodian's name, address, and your new IRA account number so you can tell your plan where to send your money. This means that you'll need to have a Gold IRA account established and have all the information about your account ready to go before you start your rollover. Once you have a Gold IRA open, you can start the Gold IRA rollover process. Each 401k plan has its own rules for outgoing rollovers or distributions, and its own process that you'll have to follow. In general, you'll fill out the paperwork or fill out online forms to initiate the rollover process. This will include providing your plan with the information on your new Gold IRA custodian, your IRA account number, how much money you'll want to roll over, etc. 401k plan administrators normally get paid based on the amount of funds they manage, so the more people who roll over funds into other accounts, the less money the 401k administrators make. Don't be surprised to get some pushback or to have roadblocks placed in your way. Once you've initiated your rollover, expect it to take a few business days for your 401k plan to release and send the funds. Then expect another few business days for your funds to reach your IRA account and fully clear. In general, expect it to take 1 to 2 weeks for the rollover process to complete. Once your Gold IRA account is funded, you can then choose which gold coins or bars you want to buy. The choices are numerous, with only certain exceptions. For a gold coin to be eligible for purchase for your Gold IRA, it has to be produced out of gold that is at least 99.5% pure, 0.995 fineness. The only exception is for the modern American Gold Eagle series of gold coins, which are 22 karat, 0.9167 fineness, and which are specifically allowed for IRA purchase by government statute. Gold coins that are less than 0.995 fineness are not allowed for IRA accounts and are considered collectibles under 26 USC 408M. Attempting to purchase these coins with IRA funds would be considered as a distribution by the IRS, triggering potential taxes and penalties. Goldco works with mints around the world to bring their customers IRA-eligible gold coins with numerous different designs. They do the work of providing IRA-eligible coins so that you don't have to determine whether the coins you buy are eligible or not. Like any other financial decision, the decision about whether or not to start a gold IRA is dependent upon your particular circumstances, your financial situation, and your financial goals. For many Americans who have built up tens or hundreds of thousands of dollars in retirement savings and tax-advantaged retirement accounts, the thought of leaving those funds at the mercy of the market in the face of recession does not sound very appealing. A gold IRA rollover can provide them with additional options to help protect their retirement savings. Thousands of our customers have used gold IRA rollovers to diversify their portfolios, hedge against inflation, and hold a safe haven asset that can help protect them during times of turmoil. The experts at Goldco have years of experience in helping people just like you with gold IRA rollovers. With over $2 billion in precious metals placements, they continue to earn their reputation for quality products and outstanding customer service. And now for that special offer that I mentioned earlier, right now, Goldco is offering a free wealth protection kit to give you nothing but the facts when it comes to buying gold and performing a gold IRA rollover. Trust me, you'll want to get your hands on this. To get your free wealth protection kit today, simply click on the link below or give Goldco a call. We'll see you next time.